How to remove Steam VAC ban 2026 step by step in this video. I'm going to explain what you can actually do if you have received a VAC ban on Steam in 2026, whether it can be removed, and how to avoid fake VAC ban removal methods. First, open Steam, click Steam, go to Settings, select Account, and check your VAC status. From there, you can view details about which game or games are affected by the ban. Now, here's the most important thing to understand. According to Steam, VAC bans are permanent, non-negotiable, and Steam support cannot manually remove them. So if you see websites, software videos, or people claiming they can remove your VAC ban for money, modify your Steam files, or provide a special unban tool, avoid them. There is no official VAC unban program you can download. What if you believe the VAC ban was issued by mistake? Steam says VAC bans cannot be manually appealed. However, Valve continuously investigates VAC detections. If its system determines that your VAC ban was incorrectly issued, the ban will be removed automatically. This means repeatedly contacting Steam support will not manually remove a genuine VAC ban. Also, changing your computer, reinstalling Steam, deleting game files, changing your IP address, or removing the software that originally caused the detection will not remove an existing VAC ban. If someone else was using your account when the violation occurred, Steam's policy still states that the account owner is responsible for the security and use of that account. So this does not provide a method for removing the VAC ban. However, a VAC ban does not necessarily make your entire Steam account unusable. Depending on the affected game, you can still play single-player games, local LAN games, and multiplayer games on servers that are not VAC secured. Also, make sure you're actually dealing with a VAC ban. A developer-issued game ban, temporary competitive cooldown, community ban, and server-specific ban are different types of restrictions and can have different rules. For example, if you received a game ban from a third-party game developer rather than a VAC ban, Steam says the game developer is responsible for that ban. In that situation, you should check the developer's official support information. Here's a pro tip: if you're unsure why your account is restricted, don't download an unban tool. Check the exact restriction displayed inside Steam first. Knowing whether it's a VAC ban, game ban, community restriction, or temporary cooldown determines what options are actually available. And that's the reality of removing a Steam VAC ban in 2026. There is no legitimate manual removal process. If a VAC ban was issued correctly, it remains permanent. If Valve determines it was issued incorrectly, its system will automatically remove it. If you found this tutorial helpful, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments which Steam tutorial you want me to cover next.